So children, 10.3 compound interest, 8th class. Okay. So first question. First question. What sum will become means what principal will become amount 13,310. What principal will become 13,310 after 3 years at the rate of 10% per annum. At the rate of 10% per annum when the interest is compounded annually. Rishikesh.
Yes, sir. Amount is equals to p into 1 plus r by 100 whole to the power n. Uh, eh, eh, uh, 30 sorry 30 13,310 is equals to p into 1 plus 10 by 100 whole to the power 3. 13,310 is equals to p into 110 by 100 whole to the power 3. 13,310 is equals to p into 11 by 10 whole to the power 3. 13,310 is equals to p into that 130, so 30 1331 by 1000.
1331,
1331
131 cancel.
cancel. P is equals to 1000.
10,000
Yeah.
rupees.
Sir, you
Principal
wrote
is
1000, no sir, there.
1000 into 10. 1000 into
Okay,
10 is
okay, sir.
10,000. So 10,000 rupees is the sum which he invested. Okay, next question. Pravalika, get ready. Find the annual rate of interest. We have to find out rate of interest. Mm, Rate of compound at which 5,000 becomes 5,832. 5,832 after 2 years. Yeah, after 2 years. Pravalika, you want to
A,
find rate of interest.
yes, sir. A is equal to 1 p into 1 plus r by 100 whole to the power of n.
Okay.
5832 is equal to 5000 into 1 plus r by 100 whole to the power of 2.
What is the power of?
2.
Okay, this you bring here because here into means here is division.
5832 by 5000 is equal to 1 plus r by 100 whole to the power of 2.
Okay, so can you simplify this? 2 2500, 2 twos are 2 nines are 2 ones are 2 six are. Now square if you bring here, what it will become? Square if you bring here,
Root.
2916 by 2500 is equal to 1 plus r by 100. Okay, 2916 and 2500. 2500 square root is 50. 2916 square root is 2916 square root is 54. Yeah, no, metal. Bring this one here, Amma. Bring this one here.
54 by 50 minus 1 is equal to r by 100.
50 LCM.
50 minus 5, 50, 54 minus 50 by 50 is equal to r by 100.
This 100 goes up.
4 by 50 into 100 is equal to r. R is equal to 8.
8% is rate of interest. Children, square if it goes here, it will become root. Square if it goes here, it will become root. You should remember that. Next, Surya. After how many years? Surya, after
Yes.
how many years will 8,000 become? 8,000 will become 8,000 will become 10,105. 10,125 at the rate of 12.5%. 12.5% rate of interest.
Sir, 10,125 is equal to
Tell me the formula.
p into 1 plus r by 100 whole n.
Okay.
So 10,125 is equal to 8,000 into 1 plus 12 by 100.
12 1 by 2. 12 1 by 2 means how much? 12 2 is 24. 21 for this one 25.
Yes, sir.
25 by
25 by 2.
100. 2
Yes.
into 100.
Whole n.
Bring this down. Bring this down. Bring this down.
Yes.
Here into means here it will go down.
10,125 by 8,000 is equal to 125 by 200. Oh, sorry. 225 by 200 into n.
Simplify. 5 40s are 5
What?
4s are 5 5s are
Yes,
5 8s are 5 9s are.
9.
Okay. So this one. See here. This one what we can write now. This one what we can write.
5.
10125 by 8000 is equal to 9 by 8 whole to the power of n is there. How will you write none of this? You have to get it in 9 by 8 form. 9 by 8 form. Yes. None. See here. Are you there? Are you listening?
Yes, sir.
Simply see here. So 5 4s the 5 5 16s the 80 0 0. Okay na? 5 16s the 80 0 0. 5 2s the 5 0 5 2s the 5 5s the. Is it okay?
Yes.
Again simplify with 5. 5 3s the 5 2s the 0s the. 5 4s the 0s the 5s the. Again simplify with 5. 5 6s the 30 5 4s the 5 8s the 5 1s the. Okay?
Yes.
81 by 64 is equal to 9 by 8 to the power of n. 81 is whose square?
So 9 square.
64 is.
8 square.
So 9 by 8 to the power of n. When bases are equal, powers can be
Equal.
compared. So 2 years. What is the answer?
2 years.
2 years. After 2 years, the rate of interest will become so and so. Like that you have to do tomorrow. Understood? Please check. Keep copying or at least take the snap. Practice them 2 3 times. Then you will, in exam you will do very fast. If not, you keep on thinking in exam how to do. Okay, Rishikesh.
Yes, sir.
Time is 2 years. Time is 2 years. She cleared her debit by paying an interest of 4,200. Interest she paid 4,200 one lady. Okay, when the interest is compounded annually at the rate of Surya, can you tell 10.3 at what rate fourth sum? Surya, fourth sum is what rate?
Sir?
Fourth sum is what is the rate of interest?
Sir, 10%.
10% per annum. Question is find the sum of money borrowed. Principal we should find out. Rishikesh.
Yes, sir. Sir, amount is equals to P into 1 plus R by 100 whole to the power n.
Amount is what?
Amount is P plus
No. See, normally, what is compound interest?
amount minus principal.
Compound interest is amount minus principal. Means amount is compound interest plus principal. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Compound interest plus principal is equal to principal into 1
Principal
plus.
into 1 plus R by 100 whole to the power n.
How much is the interest?
4,200.
4,200
4,200 plus
P.
P is equals to P into 1 plus R by, so, okay, 10 by 100 whole to the power 2.
Fantastic.
4,200 plus P is equals to P into 1 plus, 110 by 100 whole to the power 2, 0 0 cancel. 4,200 plus P is equals to P into 121 by 100.
Okay. P bring
P
here, this P bring here, 121 P by
121
100
P by 100
minus P.
minus P.
Come on.
4,200 is equals to 121
100 is LCM.
100 LCM. 121P minus 100P.
Okay.
4,200 is equals to 121P by 100.
21 P by
100 zeros cancel.
21 twos are
21 twos
200 into 100.
2. 20,000.
20,000 rupees is the amount she borrowed. 20,000 rupees is the amount she borrowed. Understood, Outlook?
Yes, sir.
20,000 rupees is the amount she borrowed. Pravalika?
Sir.
Milind deposited 64,000. Milind deposited 64,000. Okay. In savings scheme, which fetches him interest at the rate of 7.5%. 7.5%. 7.5% rate of interest. Okay, compounded annually. After how many years will the sum will become? After how many years will the sum will become 79,507? Come on.
Amount is equal to P into 1 plus R by 100 whole to the power of n.
Okay.
79,507 is equal
One second. There is
to
no place.
64,000.
One second. We'll make some place and here. Please keep copying, children. No one should sit idle. So, yeah. Now tell.
And 79,507 is equal to 64,000.
79,507 is equal to 64,000
4,000 into 1 plus 15
by
by
200. 15 by 200.
15 by 200 whole to the power.
Take 64,000 down.
By 64,000 is equal to 1 plus 15, 215 by 200 whole to the power n.
Okay. Now what's your 5 4s are 5 3s are 5 40s are. So 43 by 40 n is there. Can you simplify? How will you simplify now? It will go in which table? 43.
So cube.
This is 40 cube is 64,000. So 43 cube is 79507. So this whole cube. So when base are same, powers can be compared.
Compared.
So after
N is
3
equal to
years,
3.
after 3 years, you will the same. Next, Surya. Surya is this.
Yes, sir.
At what rate percent per annum? At what rate percent per annum of compound interest will 2,000 rupees will become 2508.80 after 2 years. After 2 years.
A is equal to P into 1 plus R by 100 into whole n.
Hmm.
2,508.80 is equal to 2,000 into 1 plus R by 100 whole to 2,508.80 by 2,000 is equal to 1 plus R by 100 whole n.
Hmm.
So,
If you remove this point, 2 zeros will come.
yes.
Yeah, come on.
Plus R by
This
100.
is gone up.
Yes, sir.
After how many years? 2 years, no? This I can put 2.
Yes, sir.
2. 2. 2 if I bring here,
Sir, root 2508 by 2000 is equal to 1 plus R by 100.
okay. So what you will do means, see here, 2 1s are 2 2s are 2 5s are 4s are 4s are. So under root of 12544 by 1234 is equal to 1 plus R by 100. See, 4 zeros are there. How many zeros will come out?
Sir, 2.
2 zeros will come out as a square root. Okay, and 12544. What is the square root of 12544? 104, I think. No, Hrishikesh, once you check 104 into 104, how much? Hrishikesh.
Yes, sir.
Oh, no, not 104. 108. 108, you check.
108 into 108, sir.
Uh,
Sir, 11,664.
108 into 108 is 112 into 112. 112 into 112.
Sir, 12,544.
112.
Yes.
So square root of 12544 is 112 is 1 plus R by 100. So now what happens, children? Children, you should be perfect with these things. If not in exam, you will waste so much time doing this sums. So 1 will come here. 112 by 100. Tell.
Sir, minus 1 is equal to R by 100.
100 is LCM.
1, 1, oh yes. 12 is equal to R.
So rate of interest is 12%.
12%.
Next time also written, the difference between simple interest and compound interest is 75 rupees. The difference between simple interest and compound interest is 75 rupees for 2 years at the rate of 10% per annum. At the rate of 10% per annum. Find the sum. What is the simple interest formula?
Sir, PRT by 100 or yes, PTR by 100.
What is the compound interest formula?
P into A minus P.
Now, P into time is how much?
Sir, P into 2 into 10 by 100
Amount
minus
formula. What is amount formula?
Sir, P into 1 plus R by 100 whole n.
Minus of minus is plus.
Yes.
Minus of minus is plus. See,
Yes.
compound interest I wrote as amount minus principal. Now see here, this zero gone. What we can say?
P into yes. Minus P into 1 plus R. Sir, how 10?
10%. 10% rate of interest.
Yes.
Now simplify. This will go 5. P by 5 minus.
P into 110 by 100 whole square plus P is equal to 25.
Come on, say P by 5 minus.
P by 5 minus
11 square is 121 P.
121
10 square is 100.
P. Yes.
What is
Plus
the LCM of 5 and 100? 100.
100.
5 20s are 20 into P, 20P minus 121P plus 100 is 100 to P, 100P. Now this 100 now I can take here.
Yes, sir.
100 plus 120, 120.
Yes. Yes.
120 minus 121,
Minus P.
minus P will not come, somewhere it is wrong. The sum of money amounts to difference of where we did wrong, Rishikesh, where we did wrong? I think here we did wrong. Compound interest minus simple interest we should take. Because compound interest is always bigger, no?
Yes, sir.
Then why you didn't tell Nana? Compound interest is how much we got?
Sir, P in yes.
11 by 121
121 by 100.
100P minus P by 5
Yes.
is equal to 75. This is compound interest minus simple interest. Okay, 500 is the LCM. No, 100 is only LCM. 121P minus 100P minus 20P is equal to 75. This goes here. 121P minus 120P is equal to 7500. P is equal to 7500 rupees was the principal. Small mistake, children, don't do like this because compound interest will be bigger, simple interest will be smaller. Always do compound interest minus simple interest. Always do compound interest minus simple interest. Next. Rishikesh, next.
Yes, sir.
The simple interest on certain sum of money for 3 years. The simple interest for certain sum of money for 3 years at 62 by 3% is 13,500. 13,500. What will be the compound interest on the same sum for same time? First you find principal.
Yes, sir. Simple interest is equal to PTR by 100. 13,500 is equals to P into 20 by 3 into 20 by 300. 3 into 100, 3 cancel, 0 okay, 50. One P is equals to 13,500 into 50, which is 65,500.
67,500. Now find compound interest first.
Yes. Amount is equals to 67,500 into 1 plus 20 by 300 whole to the power 3. 67,500 into 320 by 300 whole to the power 3. 67,000 into 320 into 320 into 320. 32 into 32 into 32 by 30 into 30 into 30. Zeros cancel.
So zeros, one here, one cancel. So can anyone help me out, children?
Yes, sir. 1 second.
Then 270.
Sir, 81,920, sir.
Sure. Huh?
Yes, sir.
Divided by 270 also you did, huh?
Yes, sir. 270 only.
81,000?
920.
920 rupees is the compound interest amount. Compound interest if you want 81,920.
81 but 920 minus 67,500.
500. Pravalika, you will explain.
Yes, sir.
The at what rate of interest per annum will 31250 31250 will amount to 39366 in 3 years. In 3 years, at what rate of interest?
Amount is equal to
Direct substitution.
39,366 is equal to 31,250 into 1 plus r by 100 whole to the power of 3. 39,366 by 31,250 is equal to 1 plus r by 100 whole to the power of 3.
Okay. So 31250 by 39366. We'll go in which table? 2 15s are 30, 2 6s are 12, 2 16s are 12, 2 1s are 2 5s are 2 6s are 2 2s are 2 5s are. 2 1s are 2 9s are 2 6s are 2 8s are 2 3s are. Nana 15625 is the 15 cube. 15, 16, 17, 18, 17. Yeah, this is 17. Rishikesh, can you see 17 cube is 19683? Yeah? 1 3.
Yes sir,
Rishikesh.
yes sir, I'm seeing. Sir, 4,913 sir.
17 cube.
Yes sir.
Then 27 cube once you see 27 into 27 into 27.
Sir, 19,683.
So 7 cube cancel. 27 by 25 is equal to 1 plus r by 100. 1 goes here. 27 by 25. Pravalika, you are not telling. What happened, Pravalika? So
Sir, I was on mute.
Okay, no problem. 8% rate of interest. Okay, last two sums are there. Surya, can you tell? 12th sum.
Yes, sir.
Same. At what rate percent per annum 4,800 yields an interest of 747. Yields an interest of 747 in 2 years. In 2 years, compounded annually. Compound interest is equal to, see, amount is compound interest minus principal. So compound interest is equal to amount plus principal. Can you tell?
Yes.
Okay. Or else what we will do? Amount is equal. 1 second. What is compound interest? Amount minus principal. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
So what we will do? You have to find out rate.
Yes.
Compound interest is 747. Amount is
Sir, amount
4800 into.
is 4800 into 1 plus r by 100 into n into yes into 2 minus 4800.
This you bring here.
Yes. 4800 into 1 plus r by 100 whole to 4557. Yes. 4800 into 1 plus r by 100 whole square. 5547 by 4800
Okay.
is equal to 1 plus r by 100 whole square. So square we bring that set. So
Becomes root.
5547 by 4800 is equal to 1 plus r by 100.
4800 itself don't have any square, but see here, 3 1s are 3, 1600, 3 1s are 3, 3 8s are 24, 3 4s are 3 9s are. Root of 1849 by 1600 is equal to 1 plus r by 100. What is the square root of 1600, Lana? 40.
40.
What is the square root of 1849?
40.
43. So Rishikesh wants to check 43 into 43.
43
Sir,
by
18,004. Sir, sorry, 1,849, sir.
Okay.
43 minus 40 is equal to R by 100. So 3 by 40 is equal to R by 100. 330 by
7.5% is the rate of interest. 7.5% is the rate of interest.
yes, sir.
Last sum. Who will the last sum? Who will the last sum? Rishikesh, Pravalika, Surya. I borrowed 62,500 from a bank at the rate of 8% per annum interest for 2 years on simple interest. On the same day, he lent it to Akshay the same everything but compounded. How much does he gain? Find simple interest and compound interest for this. Who will tell simple interest for this? Surya. Surya. 625, 16.
625 in
So this is the simple interest. This is the simple interest. Okay, Pravalika, can you tell compound interest?
Yes. Is equal to 62,500 into 1 plus 8 by 100 whole to the power of 2. 62,500 into 108 by 100 whole to the power of 2. 62,500 into 108 into 108 by 100 into 100.
Yeah, Rishikesh, can you please try how much is this? 25, 25 the 25, 4 the 4, 2 the 4, 7 the 25 into 27 into 108. Rishikesh, how much is this? This is amount.
Sir, 70,875, sir.
70,875. Compound interest how much, children? 5 minus 0, 5, 7 minus 0, 7, 8 minus 5, 3, 10 minus 2, 8. So 8,375 is the compound interest. Simple interest is coming 10,000. How it is coming like that? Compound interest should become more. Can anyone tell what the mistake we did, children? Compound interest should become more. 16 5 is 80, 62 16 6 is 96. 96 and 100. How it is becoming more? Simple interest should not become more. Compound interest should be more. Anyone where we did mistake, children? Yes, children, where we did mistake? Vishkesh, can you please check?
Yes, sir, I'm checking, sir.
Acha.
Sir, amount, how much did you get, sir?
62,500 into 108 into 108 by 100 into 100. No, what you do? 100 cancel. Do this into this into this. How much you see? 625 into 108 into 108. How much?
Sir, 72,000, sorry, 72 lakhs 90,000, sir.
72 lakhs
90,000 by 100.
90,000 by 100. If this goes, 72,900 is amount. I want this one 62,500. Then yeah, 10,400 is compound interest. This is correct. Compound interest should be more than simple interest. So I am taking 10 on simple interest. I am giving someone to compound interest. I got 400 rupees as like a gain. Okay. Thank you so much, children. This is your sums. Thank you so much.